Hi! Happy September, everybody. We hope your month has been awesome. For us here at MAS, we've been focused doing a lot of content production, a lot of content promotion. It's been a fun and a fast month. For myself, I've been continuing to promote my book, which came out in August, The Exercise for Life Method, which if you have not grabbed a copy of, why not? You need to do so. Look, if you are enjoying the conversations that we have every single week on the Exercise is Health podcast, then you are going to love the book, The Exercise for Life Method. So definitely check it out. Click the link below this video or go to exerciselifemethod.com to claim your copy simply by covering the cost of shipping and handling.
Also in September, we have kicked off season 2 of the One Workout Away Challenge. If you're not familiar with the One Workout Away Challenge, it is a 28-day program that is all run through a private Facebook group. And each 28-day chunk has different goals. So this past month, we've been working on some foundational principles, and these One Workout Away challenges include live workouts, bonus workouts, informational content, but it's all to get the hands-on portion of a lot of the principles that Charlie and I are teaching, especially if you're unable to come into the studio to work with us live. So if you're interested in a One Workout Away challenge, we actually have one starting at the end of October. So make sure to go to owa.matschaumburg.com to get signed up for our next round.
Now the last thing we want to tell you about that's happening about a week and a half on October 4th, 5th, and 6th, that's a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, is I'm doing a live 3-day training that you can attend for free on how exercise actually improves the health and function of your brain and how you should be exercising in order to improve the health and function of your brain, including helping your brain grow, improving your memory, improving your processing speeds and decision making, as well as expanding your creativity, helping to balance your mood, and so much more. So to register for this free event, all you have to do is go to brainhealth.exerciseforlifemethod.com, enter your name and email address, and you'll be automatically registered for this 3-day event.
And now it's time for our rapid fire, where Charlie and I take turns asking each other questions, and the other has to say the top 3 things that comes to their brain right away. And I've got a good one.
All right,
you ready, Charlie?
I'm ready.
What are the 3 best things about wearing glasses?
3 best things about wearing glasses: when your kid sneezes in your face, it blocks it. Number 2 is it's okay to wear your sunglasses inside because you can just say, well, they're prescription. And number 3, third best thing, the third best thing about wearing glasses is people actually think you're smarter than you are when you're just, not talking, and then as long as you stay not talking, people still think you're pretty smart. So I think those are the top 3 things about wearing glasses. But wearing masks with glasses or wearing glasses with masks, that's not a top 3 for me. Because they fog up all the time. Anyways, if you wear glasses, what are your top 3 things about wearing glasses? Or if you don't wear glasses, what would your top 3 things about wearing glasses be? Send us a message back to let us know or drop a comment below. Have a fantastic rest of your September. Have a wonderful October, and we'll talk with you all at the end of next month. See ya!